Everyone I know at some point has melted something on their glass stovetop, and it's a pain in the ass to get off. The easy way that I have found to do it with absolutely no chemicals needed is simply using a glass scraper, like a window scraper. Turn the oven on wherever it was that was melted just for a moment, heat it up a little bit to get it melted again, and just long enough before your hand starts to really hurt. That's how you know it's time to turn the heat off. Just take the glass scraper and continuously scrape it along the surface. You will pull everything off. You do not need the vinegar and baking soda. You don't need any sort of special soap, although wiping it down afterwards with some soap is never a bad idea, but just wiping it off with a towel and some water will do the same thing. As you can see here, in about 10-15 seconds, we have this completely cleared up, and I can wipe it. Probably should have waited for the stove to cool down completely before doing that, but here's the finished product, and you can clearly see that there's no more residue. Nothing sticky is left behind. We're in good shape. That's how I get melted plastic off of my glass stovetop. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns.